Hey friends, welcome to English Smart Practice. We've got a great story to help you learn real English naturally.
First, listen and enjoy the story. Then, we'll explain the most useful words and phrases. Let's begin.
Story. Hi, I'm Ava. Last weekend, I went to the mall because I needed a new jacket. My old one didn't fit anymore and the zipper was broken. I walked into the first store and looked around. The jackets were nice, but the prices were too high. One jacket was $200. I thought, that's out of my budget. Then I went into another store. There was a big sign that said, clearance, up to 50% off. I got excited. I picked up a blue jacket and checked the price tag. $60. I thought, that's affordable. I wanted to try it on, so I asked, "Excuse me, where's the fitting room?" The shop assistant pointed and said, "Right over there." I tried on the jacket. It was soft and warm, but a little big. I asked, "Do you have this in a medium size?" She checked the rack and said, "Yes, we still have it in stock." I tried the medium size and it fit perfectly. I looked in the mirror and smiled. I said, "I'll take it." At the checkout counter, the cashier asked, "Cash or card?" I said, "Card, please." After paying, he put the jacket in a shopping bag. Outside, it was chilly, so I took the jacket out and put it on right away. On the way home, I thought, this was a good deal. I love my new jacket.
Words and phrases. Mall. A big building with many different stores inside. Example, I bought a new pair of shoes at the mall.
Price tag. A small piece of paper that shows the price of something. Example, check the price tag before you buy it.
Out of my budget. Too expensive. More money than you can spend. Example, this jacket is out of my budget.
Clearance. A special sale when a store wants to sell old items quickly, usually with big discounts. Example, I found cheap shoes in the clearance section.
Affordable. Not too expensive. You can pay for it easily. Example, this store has affordable clothes.
Try on. To put on clothes in a store to see if they fit. Example, I want to try on this jacket. Fitting room. A small room in a store where you try on clothes. Example, she is trying on a dress in the fitting room. Rack. A metal or wooden frame for hanging clothes in a store. Example, the shirts are on the rack near the window. In stock. The store has the item available to sell. Example, do you have this t-shirt in stock?
I'll take it. A phrase you say when you decide to buy something. Example, this jacket is nice. I'll take it.
A good deal. Something you buy for a low price or with a special offer. It means you save money. Example, this jacket was only $60. It's a good deal.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.